Hello everyone, welcome to Sampoorn Media Gyan. I am Dr. Shweta Gaud Sharma. In this video, we will talk about what is event management. Event management includes a variety of functions for executing large scale events, which might include conferences, convocation, concerts, trade shows, festivals, and ceremonies. It involves handling the overall logistics of the event, working with the staff, and conducting projects management of the event as a whole. So, now let's discuss what is event management. We divide event management into two words. First is event, and second is management. Before starting event management, let's discuss the word what is event. In my previous video, I already discussed about the term event, so you can watch that video. Here I am giving the brief about the event. Event means anything that happens undistinguished from anything that exists or occurs, especially one of the great importance. And here we find out the word, another word is management, which means management is the coordination and administration of tasks to achieve a goal. Such administration activities include setting the organization strategies and coordinating the efforts of the staff to accomplish these objectives through the application of available sources. Management can also refer to the seniority structure of the staff members within an organization. So here we can easily understand that the management words include the coordination and administration, as well as it is also include the hierarchy structure of the management. Event management denotes the production of an event. A number of people with different skills and roles are involved in the execution. There is considerable interaction among people and their responsibility. It encompasses all activities involved in planning, organizing, staffing, leading, executing, and evaluating. Different websites, different persons give the definition of event management. Here we will discuss the some definition of the website. First of all, the about.com explain event management is the process beyond planning, executing and evaluating corporate, association, non-profit, government and social events. On the other side, eventbusinessacademy.com explain event management is the coordination, running and planning of all the people, teams and features that comes together to create every kind of event. In these two definitions, what we find out? We find out first of all, this is a process which includes planning, execution and evaluation. On other side, Event Business Academy concentrate on the coordination between the team, scheduling of the planning of the event. This one is the main motive of these two definitions. Here we have the Philippines definition, which is we can say is a merge of previous two definition about .com and eventbusinessacademy.com. They explain event management is a science of planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, motivating and rewarding people or staff to attain the visionary objective of the event producer or client. Philippines define event management as a science because like a science, it is a step-by-step process. If any step missing, then maybe we are not able to reach the exact target or objective of our particular event. This definition not only focus on the process, this definition define coordination between the team and their members, rewarding and motivating team members so they work hard for the event. A part of it, every member of company must aware about the event objective, goals and purpose for make it successful. Here we have the definition which is given by juliussilver.com. Event management is the process by which an event is planned, prepared, and produced. As within another form of management, it encompasses the assessment, definition, acquisition, allocation, direction, control, and analysis of time, finances, people, product, services, and other resources to achieve the objective. An event manager's job is to oversee and arrange every aspects of event, including research, planning, organizing, implementing, controlling, and evaluating an event design activities and production. So we can say Julius Silver defined all the main points of the event like objective, like definition, how to control the risk factors, what is the appropriate time, what is the budget, how many people are involved into it, or we can say the main objective of event must be focused by the complete team, and these is included into the simple process, which is first of all researching, second is planning, third is organizing, fourth is implementing, then controlling the risk factors, and very important point is evaluating or taking feedbacks from the target audience as well as from the clients. Wiki define event management as the application of project management to the creation and development of large-scale event. It involves studying the brand, identifying the target audience, devising the event concept, planning and logistic, and coordinating the technical aspect before actually launching the event. This wiki define this event as a application. It connect with the technology, and the main point again it define is identifying the target audience whom we have to interact, for whom we are organizing this particular event, what are the planning for that particular event, how we are coordinating with our team, and very important point, we have to identify the technical things. So before launching the event, before going to the event, we have to identify all the technical aspects, so we did not find any kind of glitch between our event. Now let's discuss the analysis of all the definition. What we find out over here, we find out that event management involves planning, organizing, and execution of live events, which could include a brand product launch, an exhibition, a concert, or a event as a conference. It is basically an extended form of advertisement. Through more interactive way, we can go ahead with our audience. As a separate industry, it is projected to grow at 30% per annum. Event management is a management which encompasses all activities involved in planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and evaluation of the event. In fact, all operational tasks for an event such as a groundwork like venue selection and stage design, arranging the infrastructural facility required, liaising with the artist or performers, and networking with other activities such as advertising, PR, ticket sales, etc. fall under the purview of event management. We can simply define event management is again a management with all involved activities like planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and evaluation of an event, as well as we can say this is a proper way of step by step way of working with any event or any project. After discussing what is event management, here we are discussing what does event management involve. First point, understanding objective. What is the purpose of the event? What experience do we want people to have? Planning an event is impossible without clear objective. So we have to identify the objective, goal and motive of that particular event. Second point, establishing timelines. Determining what has to happen and when. Any large event involves complex time management, scheduling, and coordination of other activities such as catering, digital and technological setup, and venue preparation. Third point is selecting venue. Selecting a venue maybe seems simple task, but the importance of identifying venue is a very important task, because importance of finding the right venue should not be underestimated. This involves research, contract and cost negotiation, and very important point, building working relationship. So fourth point is here is sourcing and managing suppliers. Every event involves a range of suppliers. For caterer to lighting, diverse suppliers need contacting, shortlisting, negotiating cost within financial contracts. From their efficient management of all suppliers, ensuring that they fulfill their roles on time and within the budget is an essential to the success of the event. Fifth one is your managing budget. Probably second only to having clear objectives comes effective budget management. Delivering a great event is easy with unlimited funds, but great management is required to produce an event within the constrained budget. Here we have the sixth point, which is marketing and communication. It is never a case of if you build your image, which is very important, that is your marketing. And delivering an audience require marketing the promise of what the event will deliver. Today, this involves various channels across direct mail, social media, new media, digital platforms, print media, and electronic media. So here we have the seventh point, managing risk. Events are complex as having many elements contributing to the event means multiple possible points of failure. Understanding what the risks are and then livelihood of each of arising. So strategies to minimize risk, we have to maintain the action plan A, B, C for minimizing the risk, and developing a robust contingency plan in the event of problems is a non-negotiable task in the event management. We have to always minimize the event management risk while doing a planning. Must have a plan A, plan B, plan C, so we can reduce the risk factor in the event. Here we have the eighth point, which is thinking sustainably. Making decision in event planning process that consider the social and environment impact. Always try to do a same work which you did in your first event. If you will do or think differently, creatively, definitely the event company always go high. Lorne Armstrong said very good words regarding it. It is the most exciting and rewarding job on the planet. There is nothing quite like the buzz of delivering a live show, often with no rehearsals. It is creative, energetic, intense, and totally varied. No day is same. So, this is about the event management. Yes, this is a very exciting job on this planet. So in this video, we discuss about what is event management, different definition given by different people and website of event management, as well as we discuss what does event management involve. In my next video, we will discuss on another topic related to event. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Sampoorn Media Gyan. Thank you.